Can AI write your loved one's obituary for you? Well, not exactly, but it can absolutely help you write it with less stress, more structure, and still full of heart. In this video, I'll show you how to use artificial intelligence, not to replace your words, but to help you to organize, refine, and support you through the writing process. And I have a free worksheet to walk you through it. Here's what you're gonna walk away with today. What to gather before you use AI, how to guide AI step by step like a personal writing assistant, how to keep the obituary warm, real, and truly reflective of your loved one, and how to choose the right length depending on if it's for a funeral program or to be read during a ceremony. Now be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a downloadable worksheet to help you and your family every step of the way. Step 1, gather first. The worksheet is your friend. Before you open ChatGPT or any other AI tool, use this worksheet first to gather your information. The AI or any AI can't really help you if you don't feed it the right details. You're going to want to have available for you like the name, the full birth name, date of birth, as well as date of death, family, history, education, work history, any military involvement. Their hobbies and interests is of special importance because it helps to show their personal side. Then you would also include any religious affiliations or clubs and organizations they may have belonged to. Don't forget to incorporate some favorite sayings, quotes, or even scriptures. What's also a nice thing to add is any stories that only you might know or special stories about them. Just go down the checklist and fill in what you know. You can reach out to any other family members that might have some more information and make it like a group effort. Step 2 is important. You have to let the AI know who it is. Don't just start typing. Start by telling the AI what role that you want it to play. Now here's the prompt for you to use. You are an esteemed author of biographies and memorial tributes. You are compassionate, thoughtful, and excellent at storytelling. I liked your help in writing an obituary for someone I loved deeply. Now you've set the tone. You're not asking for just robotic help. You're inviting partnership. Now step 3 is to share the info and then ask the AI for a draft. So copy and paste your worksheet notes into whatever AI platform you're using and say, can you draft the full obituary using this information in a warm and respectful tone? Now let it generate a draft. Don't worry, this is just the first step and then we're going to refine it even further. Now step 4 is adjusting the tone and adding the heart. Now if this first draft sounds too stiff or generic, you can put in the prompt, please make this sound more personal, like it was someone who truly knew them. If you want to make it more personal and add a memory, then you would put in the prompt, please include this story. And something like, every Sunday in the afternoons, he would take his grandkids out to catch fish. Even though they didn't catch a thing, they had a wonderful time together. Now step 5 is where we're going to put on the final polish and make sure it's the right length for what we want. Now the length matters depending on if it's for a funeral program and the design of your funeral program. Now on this worksheet that you can download, it gives you some guidance as to what's the appropriate word length for the different types of funeral programs. For instance, a standard size program may be about 250 to 350 words. If we're doing something longer, it may be over 500 words that we can have space to put that in. So how AI can help you with this is you can put in the prompt, can you proofread this entire obituary and say keep under 350 words, but still make it feel heartfelt. This way, it still fits beautifully into your funeral program without having to cut some details out later on. Now I've covered a lot, but I've also made this easy for you. This is the Obituary Writing AI Worksheet, and it's yours, totally free. You can download it from the link in the description. If this helped you, please share it with someone else who might be walking along the same journey. And if you'd like to get more information on how to put together a really special obituary, really reflecting the life of your loved one, I want to invite you to watch our next companion video right here on how to write an obituary that tells their story and not just their stats. This will allow you to go even deeper into their legacy. From our family to yours, grace, peace, and remembrance. I'm Samuel Stewart from Honor You.